yeah, hello. Oh, just hang on a second.
Hey, people, let's show some consideration and keep it down, will you? I'm on the phone, huh? Hey, other people live here, all right? Hey, noisy neighbors. Okay, go ahead, speak to me. All right, what's going on? I gotta get to work.
I've got a sniper on that roof.
That no good yogurt-eating creep. Is the building evacuated?
Yeah.
We got vermin on the roof. But I got an idea.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Hammer, what are you doing? You'll get killed!
I think I got him. What's the problem?
The lousy machine took my money.
Stand away from it.
No!
We have your daughter. Pay us $1 million or we'll kill her. Details later. Have a nice day.
I don't care what methods you use, Hammer. Just bring back my daughter.
I will, sir. Dead or alive.
But the point is to bring her back alive, Hammer.
Oh, right. No, alive, of course. Why else would I say dead? No, I don't know where my head's at. Yeah.
Sledge, it's my idea that you and, DeRoe would, sort of team up on this case.
She's a woman, sir. No, I mean, she's a woman. Look at her. She's a woman, sir. She's clearly a woman, right? With all due respect. Look, I'm not going to partner with a woman.
You will partner with Pia Zadora if the chief asks you to. Do you understand that?
The only partner I need is my amigo right here.
I told you to put that...
Sorry, Captain. That was reflex.
Reflex.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.